One thing that has not happened, which is really the crux of this issue, is there has not been a move towards liberalization and democracy. Now, you may well say that, of course, holding elections and producing the Muslim Brotherhood, the president from there, is a progress, a sign of progress, and it is. But we must also not forget that the West or America have been quick to ask for elections as a medium of legitimization of a new government, and when the result of the elections was against the interests of America, as happened in Gaza, the result of the elections is brushed aside. So, yes, the theory is very attractive, that there's a change, but I don't think so, and I get the impression that all the distinguished speakers took the same view essentially by stressing, and I think you did that too, Minister, by stressing that the process is going to be a long process, that it's too early to judge